Hey guys, I'm Dave. Today we're going to be encapsulating rust on some old auto parts using a product called Corroseal. You're watching Parts and Restoration. Ciao! Boys and girls, I've got some old fenders from my 1948 Plymouth. They're rusty. They have been wire brushed and cleaned somewhat. Probably could have done a better job with some of the crusties, but I really don't care. I just want these to be sealed up and not to rust anymore. So what we have here is a jug of Corroseal. The label is ripped off. It's C-O-R-O-S-E-A-L. And I'm going to be taking some of this product, I'm going to be brushing it on. Where's my brush?
3 hours later.
Well, it's been about 3 hours. They look pretty good. Completely dry. That nice hard finish. Pull this camera down and let's take a look. So this was the rustier of the two panels, the two fenders, and you can see it has just soaked all that stuff up. There's a couple spots where the color doesn't fully change, and I've come to expect that with this product, but there is a hard layer of clear product on top of that, despite its brown finish. And I've found that that really doesn't matter because this product is designed to be used with paint on top. It's designed to stop it from rusting again, and you seal it in then with paint, and then it'll never show through the paint. I found that pretty much to be the case. I used this on a 1998 Chevy pickup truck. I encapsulated the frame on it with this product and then drove the car for the truck for 4 years and really didn't have any show through after I top coated it with an automotive undercoat. Great product, I recommend you give it a shot. Let's paint these and we'll put them back on the car. This Rust-Oleum undercoat stuff is kind of funny. Look how brown it is when you apply it, but when it's on the car, it changes color to black in no time flat. So that is what to expect if you wind up doing Corroseal and then undercoating it with like a Rust-Oleum undercoat right from the big box store. Gives you a nice black finish. And it's holding up. I've been driving this thing around. Digging it.
Not too bad. I recommend Corroseal. I think you'll enjoy it too. Thanks for watching. Peace.